So I went to the supermarket and I got a bunch of stuff because tomorrow is Christmas. Yes, tomorrow is Christmas and everything's gonna be closed. I've got some cheeky wrap. This was only 69p. I don't know how much wraps cost in Malaysia, but 69p. A bunch of stuff because I feel like Tesco's not gonna be open for a couple of days, but it's actually just tomorrow. So I got sausages because we love some sausages. Chicken pieces for my wrap. And some turkey bacon because why the hell not? Don't worry, it's all halal, sis. Okay, so bila masa nak makan ni, I have no idea. Okay, some chicken because we love chicken. That's all I eat. I eat chicken. Even though I just got egg a couple of days ago, but I just wanted to get more egg. So I got more egg. This will last until the 13th of January, which is good. We love long-lasting eggs. I've got pasta because I made some pasta at the boys' house yesterday and I ran out. So I got 2 different pastas. They're only like 20p each. Good job, Tesco. I got milk. I've always liked milk in this compared to like the big yang besar tu lah. Kotak. It tastes nicer. And then we got rice. So I jarang beli rice. I don't really buy basmati rice. I buy regular long grain rice because it's only 49p. Tapi habis ya, everyone's gone crazy because it's Christmas and they need to shop and I'm not very smart. I should have gone a couple of days before, but yeah, this was the only one left and I grabbed it because I'm out of rice. Because we love some onions. How can you cook without onions? No, that's not last. Second last. I got sirloin steak. It's beef. It looks pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, but I have it now. I have it. I got this because sis needs to wash her clothes after 2 weeks and I'm running out of clothes. Yeah, so that's all I got from Tesco. I love Tesco. Tesco, sponsor me. Or no, it's fine. This is the 59p broccoli. I mean, why are there different prices for broccoli? I don't know, but yeah. So I got, this is the last one in the bin for the 59p broccoli. So I got the last one. Did you know they sell lemongrass like this? And it's not even in the fridge or anything, it's just out. And 3 batang. And it's not even panjang tau. It's like cut. This is like £1.20p. It's so expensive in this Malaysia. Santan guys, santan. I tak pernah beli santan kat Malaysia, so I tak tahu what santan looks like. I mean, I feel like dekat Malaysia they sell in like plastic and then they ikat dekat atas. So here the santan is in cans. And this was £1 after discount with the club card, yeah. So without a club card it's £2. RM12 weh nak beli santan. Gila. So yeah, that's my Tesco haul. See you in the next video. If I decide to do one, I don't know. Anyway, see you in the next video. If I am rajin, I will make a masak-masak video. But kita tahu I ni pemalas, so